you have to make sure that you understand the math. And if you don't understand how those processes work, then you need to be educating yourself, right? You need to be going down the path of YouTubing or joining newsletters or giving, somebody like Chad a call and saying, hey, how does this work? Like, what should I be doing?
Basic information. There's a YouTube channel yet, but our compliance hasn't approved it to be published. And so we're working on getting that out there, which is helping people in certain situations. Somebody going through a divorce, selling a small business, to kind of help them, give them advice on what they should be doing and thinking about in these certain situations, right? But, there's also great books out there that you can pick up that is the basics of investing. And they, starting from investing 101, what is a mutual fund? What is an index fund? What's a stock? What's a bond? And to give you at least an understanding of what is out there to kind of take it to investing with your funds. And then as you learn the basics, you can go into the more detail about your certain situation and understand what you're trying to look for in investments. So it's all out there. And like you said, with the internet, YouTube, and a lot of good advice, and a lot of bad advice too. So you got to be able to separate the two. But, the education that's available to you is kind of unlimited compared to what it was, 15, 20 years ago.